Yes, good morning everyone. Students, today I am going to discuss the next part of HTML, which contains attributes and tag. First one, body attributes. Next is font, then bold, underline, italics, pre, mark and TT tags. So I'm going to HTML. So for that, I must have to go to Notepad. Now here I have to write the coding. As already in last class I discussed the structure. So same structure I am going to use here, HTML. Next one is head. Next is title. What is the title? Suppose I want to work on MS Office. So here I will write welcome to MS Office / title. So I have used the title also. Now the next part, that is your that is your /head. Now next one is your body. Okay, in body you have the different attributes, but I will discuss just basic color equal to, suppose I want the background color to be yellow and the foreground color as green. Okay, now the next part, that is your font tag. So I'm going to use font. Okay, font. Now in this I want my text should have the maximum size and color as blue. So what I will use? I will use size equal to 7. 7 is the largest one. And next one, color equal to blue. So what is your text? It is MS Word is the member of MS Office, and then /font. If anyone asks to give the largest heading, then which one is H1? Okay. Now some examples of word processing software are OpenOffice.org, MS Office, LibreOffice, and then /H1. Okay, now my next part is make bold, italics, underline. I'm showing this all together. Bold, italics, underline. Now what I have to make it bold? This is my text. That is mail merge is the important part of MS Word. Okay, now you see, my dear, I have started with bold, then it should be at the last. Second one, italics, then it will be second last. Underline is the third one, that will be, my third last. That means /u, /I, and then /b. Okay, now I will press enter key. Now already bold, italics. Now next one is your pre tag. Pre means what? Predefined. predefined text. How you have written, you know, your web browser doesn't understand. Yes, these all things. It just, if you have written your text, then all your text will be in a single line. Okay, but I want to warn that no, my first line should have only 4 words, second line 3 words, 2 words, like that one. So to instruct the web browser, you must have to use the pre tag. So I'm using pre tag. Okay, clipboard is the computer's memory. Now I want to go to next line. Okay, I will use here, we can create table in MS Word. Now listen, if I would have not used a pre tag, then your web browser will show clipboard is the computer's memory, and then it will write, yes, we can create table in MS Word in the same line. But as I have used free, so whichever way I will write it, as per that it will work it. So this is the pre tag. Now the next one is mark. So you want to use highlighter, my dear, then you must use the mark tag. Okay, mark tag. So here I am going to use, we can use bullets and numbering. Now slash mark. Now the next part, that is your TT tag, that is typewriter text. I hope you have understood the following topics. Slash TT. Okay, now I'm going to use slash body and then slash HTML. Now I'm going to save this file. Save as. Now here on the desktop I am going to save PRO or PRACTICL, practical.html. Now I have saved. Now I am going to run it. Now my topic has come. I will show one by one. Let me have this one font small. Okay. Now, see my dear, my first part is the title. Now you can see my dear, title is already flashing. Welcome to MS Office. It is already flashing here. First part. Now you see background color is green. Background color is yellow and the text is green. You can see it. My background color is already yellow and text is, wait, I have done, yes, see, now text equal to green. Now you can see my dear, these all texts are my green color. Okay, but one thing please keep it in mind, some of the web browser will not, yes, allow the text attributes. Maybe you will get some other colors, that default colors. Now next one is font size 7, color equal to blue. Now wait, let me clear everything. Now what is my heading, my dear? What is my font size? You can see my font size is 7. Already my size has been increased. And what is my color? You see this one color, it is showing blue. And what is my topic? MS Word is the member of MS Office, that is already showing there. Now the next one is the heading. Now listen my dear, I have used text equal to green for my web page, so that's why, yes, by default my color is becoming green. So here also in heading, you can see some examples of word processing software are Triple O, yes, and MS Office and Libra. You can see here. Yes, these all are just shown as the heading. But I want some more thing. I want my heading should be aligned at the right. So you can use align equal to right. Now I'm going to show you. I will save this one and I will. Now what happened? You can see this is an attribute of heading tag which has send your text at the right side. Okay. Now the next one is bold, italics, underline. Yes, this one text will have both all the three effects. You can see this one. It is having bold also, italics also, as well as underline also. Now the next one is pre-tag. Already I said how you write your text. Same way your text will appear on the web browser. You see, clipboard is the computer's memory. It is shown here. Now next one is we can create, yes, a table in MS Word. It is showing here. Then you can ask, sir, why here one space is provided? Because here I have given one space. That is why already I said which way you write the text, same way it will be shown on the web browser. Now the next part. Now you can see the next part. Now next one is your mark tag. We can use bullets and numbering. See why it is showing, yes, this, yes, in yellow color, because actually by default it is yellow. I will show you. Let me change this one, not as yellow, this one as pink, then you will understand. Save. Now you can understand, because your mark is which color? Yellow. And if you have already set your background color of the web page as yellow, then you cannot understand it. Now you can understand it. You can understand? Now mark, we can use bullets and numbering. This I have used the mark tag. So you see highlighter has come, which is showing your text. We can use bullets and numbering. Now the next one is a typewriter style. In the typewriter style, if you want to write your text, then use the TT tag. But can you see, my dear? We can use bullets and numbering, and I hope you have understood the following topics. Both sentences have come in the same line. This is the main drawback of web browser, because it can't understand. It works only on the, yes, tag. So how I will go, yes, or I will send this next line, next sentence in the next line. Simply I have to use the BR tag. Now you see it will have split over there. You see, clear? I hope this topic you have understood it. Now I'm going to work on table, because table is also going to come in practical examination. So I will give you a short, yes, this summary of table tag. Wait, let me close. Now see, I'm going to remove these all things. Now, you know, table contains row and column. So first of all, you will use table tag. Now, you all know TR tag is to create row and TD tag is used to create column. Okay. Now see, this is my output. Okay. It is like this. Here I've written 1, 2, 3, 4. And here, yes, I will write puzzle. Okay, here the title of my, yes, table is puzzle. Now what I will do, see, when you are using table, you must have to specify border. Border is mandatory, otherwise border will not come. Now What is my caption? Title. My title is puzzle slash caption. So puzzle will appear. Now the next one, this is my first row. First row contains how many columns? 2 columns. Okay, you can see this and this. So let me remove this all. So for creating the first row, I will use tr tag. And now what is my first column? Data 1. So I will write 1 and then slash td. Now what is my next? Data 2 slash td. Okay. Now I will close because my first row work is over. Now I will work on the second row. So I will use tr and then td. My first data is 3. Now my second data is 4 and then slash tr and then slash table. My work is over. Now I will be getting this table. See, I will save this file. Now I'm going to open this file. Now you can see, let me increase the size so that you can see nicely. Now it has come, my dear. You can see it has come. Now one more thing, my dear. There can be questions related with the cell spacing and cell padding also. So if you have to use, yes, then you must have to use this one in your, yes, table tag. Cell spacing equal to 30. Okay. And cell padding equal to 25. Now I will have spaces inside. See. So again, let me this time decrease it. Now you can see it. So even if the question can comes related with a frame and rules also. Got it? So you have to know all the values of frame, all the values of rules. But one thing, please keep it in mind, don't try to read form. Form questions will not come. Okay, you have the password, text box, radio button. This type of questions will not come in practical examination. So you have to know other all topics, and you please and yes, revise that topic very nicely, my dear. I hope you have understood these all topics, my dear. Thank you.